Most of us see nuclear energy as this big, scary monster that destroys everything and everyone around it. But are you aware that this is by far not the whole truth? Let's look at Chernobyl, the world's worst nuclear catastrophe. Only 34 people died directly from the explosion. And what about the second largest nuclear catastrophe? Well, no one died directly.
This is the reason why the argument people living near nuclear power plants are exposed to great danger in the case of nuclear power is not relevant. Therefore, when we face the problem of increasing volume of CO2 in the atmosphere, nuclear power is our best shot.
The solution will be to give back what we took from Earth. As a part of solving this problem, there are national programs for the development of deep geological repositories for spent fuel and high-level radioactive waste. Used waste travels to interim spent nuclear fuel storage, and there are two ways. The first one is a spent nuclear fuel reprocessing factory, which recreates reusable waste into usable material. The second one is reprocessing in three main principles. To reduce the original amount by volume reduction, to create a safe and stable form suitable for final disposal by its fixation, and to provide sufficient barriers against the release of radioactivity to the environment during the whole period of disposal. The solid waste isn't the only kind of waste. There are also liquid and gas part of waste. Gas waste is practically none because it is released to the environment via water vapor. The liquid waste is oozed, but in that controlled amount which is not even able to reach the maximum values.
All radioactive waste is carefully collected, recorded, checked, and monitored during the whole period of its treatment. Therefore, we can say that environmental impact is insignificant. Most of the harmful gas waste is produced during the construction. However, that is still 32 times less carbon dioxide, 23 times less sulfur oxides, and 25 times less nitrogen oxides compared to the annual operation of coal power plant according to statistics of the nuclear power plant in Slovakia, Jaslovské Bohunice.
The only question remains: why are not we using the fuel potential of nuclear energy?